I think the emphasis has become too much on the 1,000 crores. That figure of 1,000 crores, and it's all thanks to Mr. Rajamouli and Bahubali too.
I mean, everyone's talking about Bollywood, going through this difficult phase now, but Malayalam cinema, for as amazing as it is today, we went through a bit of a rough patch as well. Early 2000s, late 90s wasn't the best time. Then it took films like Chapa Kurisha, Traffic, and path-breaking new generation cinema to kind of turn the tide. Is this really the first time this is happening in Bollywood, or is there like a cyclical quality to this trend?
No, it's always a cycle. These are always phases that come and go. I mean, look at the cinema in the 80s. And of course, we're generalizing because Mr. India was also 80s, Masoom was also 80s. But largely, what we remember of the 80s is the sort of crazy songs, outlandish, flamboyant song sequences, really not much of a story. So I think it's a phase. I'm always an optimist. So
right.
I'm very hopeful that Hindi cinema, look at like Amar Singh Chamkila.
Yeah.
What a lovely film.
Lapata Ladies.
Lapata Ladies, so at this point we don't have enough of those. I think the emphasis has become too much on the 1,000 crores. That figure of 1,000 crores, and it's all thanks to Mr. Rajamouli and Bahubali too, but it's become such a albatross around everybody's neck because everybody has to hit, that's the benchmark now. And I think we'll find a way out. Better things will come, but at this point, it's not the best.
Right.